English Tagalog, noun, pangalan. Pronoun, panghalip. Adjective, panguri. Verb, pandiwa. Adverb, pangabay. Conjunction, pangatnig. Preposition, pangukol. Syllable, pantig. Compound words, tambalang salita. Sentence, pangungusap. Declarative, pasalaysay. Interrogative, patanong. Imperative, pautos. Exclamatory, padamdam. Figure of speech, tayutay. Thank you for watching.